Model, 2017 Renault Trafic Ll29 Sport Nav Engy Dci runs and drives needs gearbox. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 230508. Engine, 1598 CCR9M 125 Energy E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox will need replacing as 6th gear is no longer there. Easy in and out job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, part service history, aircon, sat-nav, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on